Is the medicine you take for the flu always the best solution? Many people wonder about Tamiflu, and it's time to understand its full picture. Today we're cutting through the noise around Tamiflu, a widely prescribed antiviral for influenza. While it plays a crucial role in managing the flu, it's essential to know exactly what it treats. And more importantly, the three key risks you should be aware of. We'll break down why this medication is used and what you might experience. Tamiflu, or oseltamivir, works by stopping the flu virus from multiplying in your body. It's best taken within 48 hours of symptoms appearing, helping to lessen the severity and shorten the duration of the flu. But it's not a cure and won't prevent future infections. Now let's talk about those important side effects. The first common risk involves your digestive system, nausea and vomiting. These can sometimes be severe enough to make you feel worse than the flu itself. A second, more serious but rarer concern, especially in children and teens, is neuropsychiatric effects like confusion, hallucinations, or unusual behavior. Lastly, though very rare, serious skin reactions can occur. Understanding these potential downsides helps you weigh the benefits against the risks. For more essential health insights, make sure to watch our next video about boosting your immune system naturally.